Hello everyone and welcome for the Microsoft Certification 7680 videos, as these videos will be for the requirements for the 7680 exam. So I am Professor Staples and we will be now starting our presentation. Now in this video we will be learning about the different versions of Windows 7, as what is Windows Aero and why is Windows 7 Enterprise so special. And of course, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit my website, which I will be mentioning the link in the description below. Let's start. Wait. How many versions of Windows 7? Well, however, there are about 6 versions of Windows 7, as there is Windows 7 Starter, Windows 7 Home Basic, Windows 7 Home Premium, Professional, Ultimate, and Enterprise. I mentioned them all in alphabetical order as they were released. Let's go with version number 1, which is Windows 7 Starter. Well, this version is built specifically for netbooks, and it was only back in 2010. Now netbooks come with Windows 10 and stuff. There is no DVD playback, and remember this mistake. This is off and it is supposed to be on. Well, of course, let me continue with my presentation. Well, there is no DVD playback or Windows Media Center. That is just because there is no DVD player built in to these systems, these tiny little netbooks. For instance, I am using a netbook which is the HP Pavilion DM14170US, but anyway. There is no Windows Aero. That's because these netbooks don't have hardcore graphics capabilities. Well, however, my netbook is a lucky one because it has an AMD processor. That is because, yes, I've already read that point. Now, there is no ICS, as this is known as the Internet Connection Sharing. There is no IIS web server, and there is only a 32-bit version, which is the maximum of 2 gigabytes of RAM. Version 2, Windows 7 Home Basic. Now, probably some of you guys back in 2010 did not have this version. That is because this version was only available in emerging markets. Well, for example, you're in the United States and you wanted to activate this version, it won't let you that because the United States is not an emerging market, and there are not many emerging markets all around the globe. So, however, there are some advantages. Let's read out. It has similar features as Windows 7 Starter. There is a 64-bit version, however, and the 32-bit version. There are 2 versions, which the 64-bit version supports 8 gigabytes of RAM and 1 physical processor. Now, in the first slide, in the title slide, I mentioned that what is Windows Aero for our learning trip. Well, however, Windows Aero is a graphical program built in some versions of Windows 7, and I've written Windows 7. Well, it's only, however, Windows 7 Home Premium or later. It's not built into Windows 7 Starter or Home Basic. So let's go further. So now it is known probably as Microsoft's DirectX program in Windows 10 and Windows 8.1. Windows 7 Home Premium is the consumer edition. There is DVD playback, there is Windows Aero, there is ICS, which is Internet Connection Sharing, there is IIS web server, there are, however, no enterprise technology. There is no domain connection, BitLocker, EFX, AppLocker, branch catch, etc. And yeah. There is a 64-bit version, which is equal to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Well, this version is because if you want to buy this version for home, or if you want to buy this version for home office, then this version may be the one you may use. Windows 7 Professional has the same features as Windows 7 Home Premium. But, however, it has some advantages. It can connect to a Windows domain. It does support domain connections, remote desktop, and EFS. However, it lacks enterprise technology such as BitLocker, AppLocker, and Branch Cache, etc. There is a 64-bit version and 32-bit version, as the 64-bit version supports 192 gigabytes of RAM. Windows 7 Ultimate has everything. It is the fully functional Windows 7 operating system, which is a really nice thing to say that this. However, this version is awesome to use, as I have used it and it is fully functional with every single thing you need. It has domain support, remote desktop, EFS, it has all enterprise technologies as well. BitLocker, AppLocker, Branch Cache, etc. There's also a 64-bit version which is maximum of 192 gigabytes of RAM. It does simply everything. The final version is Windows 7 Enterprise. It does have the same features as Windows 7 Ultimate. Windows 7 Enterprise is only for volume licensing subscribers. Well, however, what it means that if you're working in a big company which has special licensing from Microsoft, then you may use Windows 7 Enterprise. But however, if you need a fully functional operating system for Windows 7, you should use Windows 7 Ultimate, as this version will, it'll get you special licensing from Microsoft. Well, however, this has the same features as Windows 7 Ultimate. However, if you are in a big company, this may be the version you may use. Here is the summary which I lined up so we may all read together. The Windows 7 version in netbooks is called as Windows 7 Starter. The version in emerging markets is called as Windows 7 Home Basic. If you want to buy a computer for using in home or a home office, you may use Windows 7 Home Premium. If you want a fully functional Windows 7 version, you may buy Windows 7 Ultimate. And remember, yes, you guys have to remember or note it down in a moment, Windows 7 Enterprise is only for companies who have a special licensing from Microsoft. Well folks, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and understood whatever we did in this video. We will be also making more videos about these certifications. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website, as the website link I will be mentioning it in the description below. In the website I may put in more detail for explanation, as I'll be putting blogs and stuff for explanation. This is Professor Staples. See you in another mission.